Hello friends. Welcome back. Hope so you are good by the grace of God. Today I want to show you how to remotely control another computer. Let's start. First of all you need a software. That is Anydesk. Make sure this software is installed both computers. To download it, make sure you have internet connection. And open internet browser. Write Anydesk download in search box. And press enter. Click on first link. This is free software. And click on download now. I have already downloaded. After download, install it. And open it. Now enter the address of remote desktop you would like to access. And click on connect. It will send session request to remote side. When remote side accept your request, you have completely accessed that desktop. Hope so this video is very useful for you. If you have any question and suggestion, please write in comment box. I will respond you as soon as possible. Like and share this video to others. Consider subscribing to watch more videos like this. Thank you.